Hello everybody, welcome to Lemon's Room. Today I am going to be working in a project that I have been wanting to get started for a while now, and I am just now getting to it. It is a Montessori inspired closet. So Lemon's closet used to be used as storage. It had a ton of toys that don't get played with on a daily basis. And this weekend I went ahead and cleaned it all out, so her closet is empty and ready to go to be worked on. Before this, Lemon was using an antique dresser that we now moved to Greta's room, because Greta's room actually doesn't have a closet, so all her clothes was folded and it was just not a good scenario. It wasn't working for us. So I went ahead and got the closet cleared. If you're not familiar with Montessori, short version, you want to make everything accessible to your child. So having a closet that is too tall and your child cannot get a hold of it is not very toddler friendly. So what I will be doing to her closet is building some shelves to put her clothes in, and then a clothing rack. I believe most Montessori rooms have that stuff outside, not necessarily in a closet. They just kind of have like a clothing rack and maybe a small dresser. But I really just wanted to get really good use of our closet, and I just want to, experiment with it. Hopefully it turns out all right. I can also give you guys a small room tour. This is Lemon's bedroom and playroom. My girls don't share a bedroom. They are way too spread apart in age to do so. Greta has a lot, they're 6 years apart, and Greta has a lot of things that are not toddler friendly, and Lemon loves those things. She can't stay away from them. So therefore they each have their own room and their own privacy. But yeah, let's get started. I'm excited. Okay, so this is Lemon's room. This is where her shelf is at. It has some toys, it has her plant, it has some brushes, just things she can entertain herself with. If you go this way, this is the closet. So we are gonna be working on this baby today. It is completely empty. Her bed, most beautiful bed I ever laid my eyes on. It is a 200-year-old antique bed that I traveled 4 hours to go get. We have this tiny little nightstand, and this is more of Lemon's play area, her kitchen. We got a tiny desk, her little luggage, and we got the room door. Yep, there's not much. Lemon's room is really small, and that is why it works best for us if we use her closet for her clothes and not, there's really just no more room in the bedroom for us to do a clothing rack outside of the closet. So here are the shelves. They go all the way to the bottom because those bottom 3 is the one that she can reach, and that's where her clothes are gonna be. And we're gonna have more things for me that I need for her here. Here's her little peg rack. This is also a do-it-yourself, super simple. I went ahead and cut out ears from felt, and I drew faces on the peg. So simple, yet so beautiful. And here is the clothing rack pole. I'm gonna get that fixed eventually. I don't like that crack. It looks gross, I know, but one thing at a time. The pole could be bigger, but this I already had at home, and I am all about, I mean, not bigger, thicker, I'm sorry. And this I already had at home, like I said, and I mean, it works. I'm all about using what you have instead of spending money. So the closet is officially done. It may need some paint and some spots that I will do. There's some storage up there. Here is the clothing rack. And here are her pants, tops, PJs, more PJs, but we have some in the wash right now. Her sweaters, her little tank tops, some sets, her sleeping sack, and her socks. And here is this closet. It's so small, I'm sorry, but here is the rack. It's so cute. And here is the peg rack, which is also, oh my goodness, it's just so cute. So overall, here is a leaf mat that I made for her a while ago. Her hats are there. So everything is just easily accessible to her. She can grab anything when she wants. And yeah, honestly, I am seriously so in love. I will take some pictures because, I mean, this video just doesn't do the justice, I don't think. But I will go ahead and take some pictures and post them here as well. And yeah. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I am very proud. I think this is gonna work out beautifully. And yeah, like I said, super easy. It's done. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. Lemon just woke up and she's knocking on my door, so I will let her out. So yeah, I gotta go. Bye-bye. Hey, welcome to your room. Hey, welcome to your new closet. Do you want to check it out? Hey, go in there. Check it out. Lemon? Lemon? Look at your closet. Go in there. Look in there. What do you think? Is it cool? Do you love it?